Do you have a second to talk?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I
What's wrong?
can't believe I forgot this. Okay, I'm going out of town for a few days, and I forgot to ask someone to watch my cat. So, I guess I'm not going out of town, or my cat's gonna die.
No problem, bro. I can help you out with that. I'll come over every day and feed your cat.
Dude, are you sure?
Yeah, it's no problem. I get off at 4. I can come over, feed it, hang out with it for a little bit.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Dude, you're a lifesaver.
Hello? Hello? Please come hang out with my cat.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping